Oh, I'll take my place at the river today, hoping that the devil won't steal my grace. The off banks of the Central Grove, I'll let the water cleanse my soul. You find
So today we're sitting on the Upper Delaware. I put in on Perry and cruised up from there.
I've come to terms at the
Kicking back, enjoying the river, when all of a sudden, bam, there it is. Fish on. Crappie, crappie, crappie.
Where the crops did wither, the rain ran dry.
It's been raining a little bit here in Kansas the previous days, and that's one of the reasons why I chose to go up on the Upper Delaware to try to get in a little bit of current and see what we could get into.
I raised the glass, kept the bottle high, beat the second hand of time. The whiskey stream running to my head and driving nails in my coffin lid. For day by day, night after night, the weight of this, it'll take my
I don't know if you guys can see here, but the bobber was running, but I had to delay on the hook set because it was running the wrong way, and I would have just pulled it out of the fish's mouth. So gave it a little bit more time, got the angle changed, and got the fish.
Oh, I'll take my place where the black coal rests, deadwood trees and the city's edge. Spent my nights away from every tune, loved every part of those lovesick blues. Just when
And some of you guys might ask, when you don't see me double checking, I fish quite a bit, so I can usually know if they're a keeper or not. But here's me checking, showing you where 10 inches, and it's clearly above. Fish like that, I usually don't check. But when they get around that 10 inch, and you think it's going to be close, it's always best to go ahead and check your fish. Always advise it.
It'll take my life, but I'll bite the bullets.
So I'd actually misplaced my fish basket and had one of these cat litter jugs laying around. Works out perfect. Drilled a couple holes in the top. It's got a great handle. It's sturdy. It's got a lid. When you're sitting in current like I am currently here, the current pushes the lid closed, but it does snap shut, so it's not ever going to come open. And when you pull it out of the water, depending on how much water you want in there is the level of the holes you want to drill. And man, it keeps them alive all day long. And looky there, fish on. I was using minnows this day and limited out. It was a good day. The bite was solid, but never in this area caught anything other than crappie, largemouth, and a couple white bass. I did have some catfish pulls down here and there, and with cut bait, crappie head, live crappie, and live perch with shad sides, and none of that ever got hit. So, but it was a good day catching crappie, as you can see, and always funny here too. Bobber always goes down when you're doing something. There was at the front of the boat, grabbing a soda, turned around and noticed the bobber was down. Then of course had to sidestep around my umbrella and try not to fall in or step on any hooks. Now I know I said earlier I didn't catch any catfish on my poles, so these cats here actually got given to me from a buddy heading up the river. But here's a split shot on the right, me coming in later in the evening. Of course, didn't have my headlamp, didn't plan out being out all day, but here's one of the cats that we got on one of the limb lines we did have set. And we'll get the boat light turned on here in just a second and give you guys a peek here at that mighty fine channel cat.
She's ready to go.
As you can see here, we just added more crappie in the old basket there, and ended up limited out, like I said. Caught my 20. And here's a little video I was trying to do on my cell phone, which trying to hold your phone, your pole, reel, set the hook, a little hard, so ended up getting the hook set, but had to drop the phone to reel in here. And I think I get it reeled in enough I can get the camera back up, get it in the boat, and there you go, folks, another keeper.
So while y'all are up there breathing in that old dirty air, I'll be down here knee deep in the muck of lake.
Well, I appreciate everybody that watched this video, and I'll leave you with a beautiful picture like this. Sunset cruising in, getting off the water.